How many cigarettes do you have left?
I got a couple. Am I rolling?
No.
No.
Would you like us to go get you more?
Oh, no, you're good.
No, are you good?
Oh, yeah, I'm good.
Okay.
I mean, I got a whole other pack back there, too.
She knows the 3 secrets to show business.
Who does?
You do.
Yes, I do.
Do you want to know the 3 secrets to show business?
Okay.
Oh, I'm telling?
Yes.
You have to look them in the eye and speak from your heart.
Is it?
No, that's the first one. Why do I always forget things? The second one is... See, I want to say the third one as the second one.
The second one is sometimes you
No, that's
have to leave.
Oh, yes. Sometimes you have to leave to come back. And the third one is... If someone tells you a secret, and tells you to keep a secret, the secret is a lie. That's it. That's all of it right there.
Well, I won't be going to show business anytime soon.
Hello.